If your bola is here, this is just 5 inches curve. Or your bola is here, this is just 7 inches curve. After treating a fashion, the size of your bola have reduced to 3 inches. Please come, let me show you what.
This is Afrikaanse Penis only. To make the bangala pick, let me show you how to use it. You open it.
You open it.
This is the battle of the wall. You open the battle. The wall will be hard in the butter. To make it liquid, you must either put it in boiling water in the pot like that. Or you can make it liquid with fire like that. And you apply 2, 3, or 4 or 5 drops of the Antieke wall in your bangala. And you massage it.
3 drops of the oil on the bola or the kote. 1, 2, 3. And then the soft massages. You massage it randomly while pulling it up. Then it will be soft massage randomly while pulling it up. Few weeks of using this, you will tell me thank you. Have a nice day.
We want to take Afrikaanse Penis only. Then we give you pum pum for free.
With Antieke Afrikaanse Penis only, you will get big bangala, big cucumber, big banana, and big penis. More endurance, more sexual drive, last longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours on the pom pom. Chop chop with no mercy. Longer penis, longer cucumber, longer bangala. Larger penis, larger cucumber, larger bangala. Clean penis, clean cucumber, clean bangala. No acne on your bangala. No affection in your bangala. No pampers on your bangala. This world gonna clean your bangala for you. Make the bangala new. The Antieke world is the #1 on the market. Take it and don't leave it.